If a product of negative 8 and positive 7 is subtracted from negative 9, what is the result? So we have to subtract from negative 9 the product of negative 8 and positive 7. So let me write this. We have negative 9. From negative 9 we subtract the product of negative 8, so I will write another parenthesis, product, and negative 8 and positive 7. So we have negative 8 times 7. We don't have to write positive sign. Cross parenthesis. If the product of negative 8 and positive 7 is subtracted from negative 9, what is the result? So we have to just calculate this expression. We have subtraction, we have in parentheses multiplication. So first we have to always do parentheses. So we copy negative 9 minus, and in parentheses we have negative number times positive. Because 7 is positive, we don't write positive sign. So negative number times positive, or positive times negative. This is always negative answer. So we have negative sign and we have to multiply 8 times 7. So this is equal. Negative 9 we have to rewrite, minus, and in parentheses we will have negative 8 times 7, 56, close parentheses. Now we have to subtract from negative 9, negative 56. Memorize, when you have two negative signs, always two negative signs give you positive sign. Or you have to remember, when we have subtraction of integers, we can always change this to addition of opposite. So we copy the negative 9, change subtraction to addition, opposite. So opposite to negative 56 is 56. So you see, we get the same. Negative and negative give you positive. So we have to just memorize that when we have two negative signs, we have to just write positive and copy next number. So now we have negative number plus positive number. So when we have addition and we have negative number and positive number, first we check which of these two numbers is greater. 9, we forgot about negative sign, 9 or 56. 56 is greater than 9. So next we check the sign before the greater number is positive. So we have to write positive sign, and in parentheses we have to subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 56 minus 9. So this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write. So we have 56 only minus 9. 56 minus 9, it will be 47. This is my solution.